Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. That's where I'm at. Welcome back to the channel. I've got a quick little video today about some of the big things we've got coming up as far as events and new products. I'm just going to touch on a few of those. First, however, if you would take the time to kind of look around at what we do at some of our other videos, and if you like what we do, please take the time to subscribe. And if you like the video, hit like. And if you want to be made aware when we make new content, hit the little bell over there. And that way you can get interaction from us when we do new content. Plus, it really helps me with that pesky YouTube algorithm. Thank you in advance. I just wanted to touch base with you guys really quickly this week regarding some of the big things we got coming up here at C&S Corvettes. First and foremost, May 26th through the 29th, I am actually going to be at the 52nd annual Big Sky Corvette Meet in Helena, Montana. I have been invited out there. The people running that show graciously asked me to come out and attend and say a few words at dinner. So I'm really looking forward to that. And if you guys are anywhere in that part of the country and you're going to be there, look for the 7-foot tall bald guy. I'll be right there looking for you too. Hope to see you there. Now, in August, both Steve and I will be attending Corvettes at Carlisle again. That's August 24th through the 26th. In Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and we will be there filming, interviewing, walking around, meeting people, and doing just what we did last year, but with slightly better equipment and with a little more time on our hands, which is going to be a lot of fun. New things coming up at the shop. Finally, after all this time, all of you fine people who watch my videos and ask me for t-shirts, which I really appreciate, I have good news. In 2 weeks, I'm going to have new black C&S Corvettes t-shirts in a multitude of sizes, and they are going to have the logo as you see it here on this side of the chest and a big version of that logo on the back. Bunch of different sizes. You're also, when you order a t-shirt from us, you're going to get a new C&S Corvettes rear window sticker. These are really high quality. They were expensive, but they're worth it because I really like them. They're about yay big. Here's a picture of one on one of our cars here. And when you purchase a t-shirt from us, when they become available, and of course I will tell you when they are here, they're only going to be available in our showroom or on the website. I'm not going to be doing phone orders for t-shirts and stuff because it simply takes up too much time. But website, in here in the showroom, a shirt is $25, delivered anywhere in the United States with the sticker. Postage included, all of that, all said, all done. So one t-shirt and a sticker for 25 bucks delivered to your door. I'll let you know when they are sitting on my shelf. And now the big news. You guys probably remember the Red Light Bandit throttle commander that we had, right? We sold hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them, sold out the manufacturer's stock, and everybody loved them. And then the company that made them seems to be struggling to get it together to make any more. I don't know if that company is going to make any more or not. I did find out that if they were going to, the price was going to basically triple. Well, I have found another company here in the United States that makes a different, more detailed throttle programmer that actually plugs in the same way as the old Red Light Bandit did. But it's got a little digital display, and it also goes directly to your phone, so you can control the several different modes it offers directly from your smartphone. That is currently in one of our cars here at the shop going through beta testing. As you know, I don't talk about anything to you guys that I haven't put on a car here and lived with for a while to make sure I understand it completely and to make sure it works the way I want it to. So once those are approved through our testing process, I will be making a very nice video about that. And that is for all 2006 through 2023 Corvettes. So there's a whole lot of years it covers. It does a lot of neat stuff. And again, when it passes its test, I'll go into all kinds of detail with you about how it works and all that on the phone. So those are the 4 big things we got coming up here at C&S Corvettes. We are busier than beavers, and we are very grateful not only to you, but to our customers locally who give us so much work and allow us to interact with so many cool Corvette people. In the meantime, I know this was short, but have a great weekend, and I will see you guys remotely from Montana next week. Have a good one.